a great opportunity for us to learn from what is happening in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, particularly with regards to the one-stop shops.
These are very good learning points for the Gambia. We are currently implementing business environment reforms. So we expect that for this workshop, we expect to learn the reforms that Saudi Arabia has taken, and then how that can help the Gambia to support the implementation of business environment reforms that we are currently implementing.
البنك الدولي حقيقة اختار المملكة لتكون النموذج الذي تسير عليه بقية الدول الرواد في هذا المجال.
Saudi Arabia is providing practical experience from being one of the premiers in certain areas related to business registration, and hence this opportunity is really key for all the participants.